A sales receipt is more than just a piece of paper or a digital file. It is the official record of a sale where payment was received at the exact same moment. Think about a customer buying a coffee, buying a book from your store, paying for a service on the spot. Unlike an invoice, which is a request for a future payment, a receipt confirms the transaction is complete. It is immediate. This distinction is critical for understanding the health of your business. Using receipts correctly in QuickBooks Online ensures that your financial records are accurate from the very second a sale is made, leaving no room for guesswork or delayed data entry. Use a sales receipt for any transaction where you get paid instantly. Cash sales, credit card payments at a point of sale, mobile payments like PayPal or Square. When you create a receipt in QuickBooks, it records the income and the payment at once, increasing revenue and the designated bank balance. That dual entry process keeps cash flow current and reconciliation smooth. Creating a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process, designed to be quick and efficient. Start at the top left with the plus new button, your command center for new transactions. Under the Customers column, click Sales Receipt to open the form. Choose the customer from the drop-down, or click plus, Add New to create one on the fly. Confirm the payment date. It usually defaults to today. Select the payment method, cash, check, or credit card. Choose the correct deposit to account. Use undeposited funds to group cash or deposit directly to checking. Detail what was sold in product service. Add items, adjust quantities, and QuickBooks calculates totals, including sales tax if configured. When totals look right, save the receipt, save and send to email the customer, save in new to start another, or save in close to finish. Once saved, the income is logged and the payment appears in your chosen account, turning a real-world sale into an accurate digital record in moments. While receipts handle individual paid-on-the-spot transactions, statements provide a broader view of your financial relationship with a customer over time. A statement is a summary of a customer's account activity for a specific period, like a month. It is not a request for payment, like an invoice. It lists all transactions such as invoices, payments, credits, and refunds. You send a statement to give a complete overview, to remind customers of open invoices, or to keep them informed. QuickBooks Online offers 3 statement types: balance forward, open item, and transaction statement. Balance forward shows a starting balance, activity, and an ending balance. Open item lists only invoices still unpaid as of the statement date. Transaction statement lists every transaction in a date range, paid or unpaid. Create statements in sales, customers, then statements. Choose type, set the date range, select customers. Preview, then print or email directly from QuickBooks. To truly understand the impact of your sales, you need to look at the data. Sales by customer summary shows how much revenue each customer generates, spotlighting your most valuable clients. Accounts, receivable. Aging summary reveals who is late and by how many days. Essential for invoices and statements. Use Customize to change the period to a week, a month, or a custom range, and filter by payment method to compare credit card versus cash sales. Group results by week or month, then export to Excel or PDF for sharing. Attach scanned receipts or related contracts to transactions to keep documentation organized. The mobile app can capture a photo and use optical character recognition to pull data into a transaction. Multi-currency lets you create receipts and statements in a customer's native currency. Connect Stripe, PayPal, and Square so sales and payments sync automatically, eliminating manual entry and preventing errors. Reconcile bank accounts ideally every month. Match QuickBooks transactions to your bank statement for 100% accuracy. Send customer statements on a consistent schedule, like the first of every month. Keep customer records updated so receipts and statements reach the right person at the right email. Use recurring statements and enable automated reminders for overdue invoices to encourage timely payments. Don't settle for default views. Filter, customize, and drill down to find trends and insights. If a receipt is missing, check the deposit to account. It might be an undeposited funds instead of checking. If a payment doesn't match an invoice, find the payment and use Apply to Invoice to link them. Duplicates happen with manual entry plus bank feeds. Use Match or Exclude to keep books clean. Wrong statement balance? Review the customer's transaction list for misapplied payments or unrecorded credits. Receipts capture real-time payments and track sales. Statements communicate outstanding balances. Reports reveal trends. Advanced tools automate and integrate. Practice these steps to master QuickBooks Online. Like, subscribe and download the checklist in the description to become a QBO Pro.